And thousands of kilometers away in the Balkan nation of Croatia, another group of people is just as dedicated to helping wild birds. HRT takes us inside their amazing operation.
The hero of this story is an eagle owl that lost its wings. Well, it lost several of its biggest feathers, probably hunting over stony landscapes behind the seaside in the central part of the Croatian Dalmatia. Luckily, the good people who found the injured bird knew that there was a falconry center near the town of Šibenika. The head of the center, Emilio Menjušić, made a decision right away to operate on the bird so it can get back to the wild as soon as possible and not lose its hunting area. Together with his team, Menjušić prepared for a delicate operation, making feather extensions. They found the closest matches they could in the feather bank and commenced with the experiment, which was monitored by a British colleague, Victoria Norman.
We always keep all molted feathers from birds as a bank, so that when we get problems like this, we've always got a feather to replace the one that's broken and lost.
The operation looks simple. A clean cut on the broken feathers. Then new feathers are connected with carbon sticks. A special glue makes it possible to regain the normal geometry of the wings. This is basically an old method known to bird experts, but this team adds anesthesia. It is a new technique even for Victoria Norman, who has 25 years of experience working with various bird centers around the world.
It's absolutely brilliant. It's one of the finest things I've ever seen. There's no stress on the bird, and you can maneuver the feathers to get them exactly right. It's perfect. I think it's wonderful.
After just an hour, all the broken wings are extended. They only need to be sure if the owl is doing fine.
Okay, let's check it out. Running. See? Perfect. Perfect. Tail.
The owl is, as Emilio confirms, ready to fly only several hours after waking. However, it surely needs a little rest. The next evening, the crew of the falconry center is using a GPS to get back to the exact spot where the wingless bird was found. This is the moment of truth. Everything is good so far, but final test is if the owl can fly. This is Hrvoje Gunjača of the Croatian television for the CNN World Report.
That is a great story.